Meaning of exasperated.
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 Exasperated. Exasperated means feeling extremely irritated or frustrated, often as a result of a situation or person repeatedly causing problems or difficulties. The feeling of exasperation is characterized by a sense of anger and impatience that can lead to outbursts, arguments, or other negative consequences. People may become exasperated when they feel that their efforts are not being appreciated or when they are constantly being interrupted or prevented from achieving their goals. Ultimately, the result of exasperation is a sense of emotional exhaustion and a desire to disengage from the source of frustration.